I hope all of you are fine and doing well. My name is Mohammad Afzal, and today we're going to learn how to use the Zoom application on your personal computers for your online sessions and classes. So we start with the first step, which is to visit zoom.us. This is the official site. In order to download the application, you have to visit the site. Second step is to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on download, this option. Now, the third step is to click on the download again, but we have multiple choices here. I would suggest to click on the top one, which is the updated one. Once you're done with the downloading process of the application, click here on the file. It might take some time to install itself. So once you're done with the installation process of the application, you will come across this. You will have two options here: join a meeting and sign in. Sign in is for the host, the person who is leading the session. I would say the teacher, for example. And join a meeting is for the students and other participants. So in order to take part, you will have to click on join a meeting. You'll be required your name and a meeting ID. So you will have to enter a meeting ID here, for instance. And of course, you will have to write your name here, your full name. And this will help the instructor to recognize you. Okay, so once you're done with typing in the ID and your name, remember the meeting ID and its password are both emailed to you. So you'll have to check your email for that. Afghani will send it to you through your email, and you'll get it from there. So let's go on and click on join. It requires a meeting password. Let's join the meeting. So here you'll have to wait a little for the host to let you in or to admit you. And that is it. So thank you very much for watching the tutorial. I hope it is helpful. But if you still face any difficulties using the application, please feel free to contact the office.